Today we're enjoying the great city of St. Louis, and we're taking a moment to break down the differences between city and highway driving and how to navigate each to keep your car in top condition.
That's right. Let's start with city driving, which can be tough on your car's brakes and engine.
So city drivers really need to be on their game to minimize wear and tear?
For city driving, it's all about anticipation. Try to foresee red lights and stop signs to avoid abrupt stops. Smooth, gradual braking will extend the life of your brake pads as well as save on fuel.
And what do I need to know when I'm hitting the highway?
Highway drivers have it a little easier when it comes to wear and tear. Maintaining a steady speed reduces the strain on your engine, transmission, and suspension, but it's still important to keep up with regular maintenance to ensure everything runs smoothly.
I don't think about city roads affecting my car that much, so what should we be specifically checking?
Regular inspections of your brakes, engine, and tires are crucial. These simple steps go a long way in enhancing your vehicle's performance and safety.
Great advice, Sonya. And remember, CarShield can help protect your car from those unexpected repair costs.
Yes, routine maintenance is always something you should handle, but call CarShield before you have a bigger issue.
Check out more ways to protect your car at CarShieldTV.